Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Now you want to write the equation of the line that's going through this point and is horizontal. For these kind of problems, if it's vertical or horizontal line, you just have to graph them. That would be the best way to write the equation of the line. So what we do here is we locate the given point. If x is equal to -9, so it would be, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so this is -9. And y
Hello?
is equal to, yes, how can I help you?
Hi, I can't see anything on my screen.
Sylvia,
Are you writing right now?
are you having what kind of computers do you have?
I have an iPad. My computer wasn't, I couldn't get on there on my computer, so
Okay,
I'm using my
well,
iPad.
it looks like another student's having an iPad and having the same problem. So what I suggest is to view this session maybe later as a recorded session, and call that number that I posted in the class, in that page, to correct this problem next time. They are having some like a test room that you can log in with them and make sure that you can see everything. They can set up your computer for whatever trouble that you have. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so here we have, for those of you who cannot see the session, what you can do is, so I don't want to waste your time, what you can do is, let me go back to the, you can go back to the website I gave you, which is www.onlineteaching.com/intermediate-algebra/online sessions. If you go to that page and click on the recorded session, you can see a recorded session of topics number 2 and 3. So what you can do is, you can, while we are doing this right now, you can go ahead and view the recording session, which is basically what we are going over right now. And then at the end of the session, if you still have any question about any specific problems, we can discuss them. That way you can get the best out of what we have here at this time. But don't log out, because I like you to stay and view those sessions, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, so let's go back to our problem here. X is equal to, our line is going to go through -9 and -10. So I'm going to go ahead and select -10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is -10. So our line is going to pass through this point here, and the line is horizontal. So that means your line is going to pass through that point, and it's horizontal like that. Can somebody tell me what would be the equation of this line? What would be the horizontal line that passes through point -10 on y-axis? Anybody?
Y equals -10.
Very good. Y is equal to -10. That would be the equation of the line. So the line that's going right on the origin, if it's a horizontal line, would be y is equal to 0, and so on. So in this case, this would be your option. Okay. So I'm going to go down the list to just make sure that Diamond, you didn't put a check mark in front of your name, and Eric, you just logged in. I hope you put a full name when you log in as you log in, so that's how we can take those as attendance. Nancy, you should put a check mark in front of your name. So I'm going to ask once again, everybody put a check